I'm Nadjia, I'm from England, and I have been teaching English at MPTC for the last 3 months. I want to start by just thanking every single member of staff here. They've all been incredible. My journey has been amazing here. I've learnt so much from everyone, and all the staff have been super welcoming, really supportive. They've helped me so much with all my questions and everything. Everyone's been so friendly. I have made so many friends. I've met so many people. It's just been an incredible experience. I also want to thank all of my students. They've worked so hard. We've learned so much together, and it's been really, really fun. Madagascar in general has also been amazing. We've seen lots of lemurs, and I want to give a special thanks to the director of MPTC. He's been super generous, super helpful, and it's just been an amazing experience. I highly recommend this experience to anyone who's thinking of doing it. I've met so many amazing people and learned so much.